Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. Hope you all are doing great. Today I'll be making swallow. I'll be making this swallowed with wheat flour. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, like, share and put on the bell notification button so that you know when I upload video. Let's get started. All I'm using for this recipe is wheat flour and water. The exact quantity of everything I use will be down in the description box below. I will pour 2.5 cups of water inside the pot, cover with lid, then leave it to boil. Now that the water has boiled, I will gently lower the wheat flour into the hot water by continuously sprinkling it while stirring at the same time with my wooden spatula. Once I notice the mixture is getting thicker, I will stop adding the wheat flour and continue stirring it until I get a smooth dough. Now cover with lid, reduce the heat and leave it to simmer for 2 minutes. It's up to 2 minutes now. I will stir it once for the last time. So guys, this is the end result of how I make my wheat swallowed. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and put on the bell notification button so that you know when I upload video. Everything I use will be down in the description box below. Thanks for watching. God bless you. See you guys next time. Bye.